Hey, we have a Matsuura vertical machining center with a twin pallet model ES550V PC2, serial number 16457. Machine was new in 2005. We're going to run her for you. It has a Mitsubishi G-Tech 840 DIS control. We're running right now 4,500 RPM. It goes up to 15,000. That's 8,500. 10,000 RPM. It's a BT40 spindle. It has a 30 tool automatic tool changer. Your pallet size are 23.62 by 14.96. You have 21.65 inches in X travel, 16.14 in Y, and 18.11 in Z. Simulating a tool change. All right. One more. See if you can in there for the, okay. Just moving the vertical travel. Go in and out. And your X. All axes are very quiet. All right. Hey, thank you for watching our video.